Did you know Nigeria has over 202 trillion cubic feet of compressed natural gas (CNG) reserves? This video explores how CNG is reshaping the transportation sector by reducing costs, lowering emissions, and promoting sustainable growth, creating job opportunities and ensuring energy security for the nation. Join us to see how this works in paving the way for a brighter and a greener future.
So first of all, you have to understand what is CNG, right? CNG means compressed natural gas. It's different from the normal diesel and petrol that we use for vehicles. And CNG is gotten from the natural gas reserves, while the petrol comes from the crude oil that we are all familiar with.
Compressed natural gas, CNG, is a safe and clean fuel that works well as an alternative to petrol and diesel. Even though it's kept in a special tank under pressure, it's designed to be very safe. CNG burns more cleanly, which means it's better for the environment.
This belongs to the Federal Road Safety Commission. It's Innoson G6C. It's a pickup vehicle. The way it works is, what you're seeing here is the valve, the filling valve.
Okay, this is where you fill the car.
This is where you fill the CNG from. Okay. Then from here, it goes to the back. There's a gas reserve tank at the back. Then from there, this is the control unit. Once you indicate using the switch on your dashboard, this will control the CNG. So now, if you shut down the petrol or the diesel, depending on which one the vehicle is, shut down the petrol or the diesel from coming, and then the CNG now starts flowing out into the engine through the nozzles. Then once it gets through the nozzles, it goes into the engine, and then the normal burning process happens to power the vehicle.
I think CNG is the way to go. Imagine in Nigeria, getting fuel is really expensive because it involves a long, costly process. This makes everything from running businesses to driving more expensive. When people found out about solar energy, they saw it was a smart choice because it saves money on fuel and it's better for the environment. In the same way, CNG is a smart choice for vehicles and industries. It's cheaper than petrol and better for both the environment and the engine because it burns cleaner. Switching to CNG is like using solar energy. It's a great way to save money and help the planet.
It's a much better choice than the normal petrol.
Yes, thank you very much.
I think Nigerians should embrace this more. Nigerians should embrace this more because this is the future.